Hi everyone, we're just going to run our errands, but I want to talk about today. Pops up every summer and a pain in a butt. Yes it is. Parents, no, it's not. It's construction. Yes, every year you think construction's over, but no. It's not over. But yeah, I'm going to show you what is a pain in the butt right now. This is our weather so far. It is awesome. Awesome blue skies. You know, a little bit of clouds if you can see. But that's about it. But this is what is a pain. Leave a comment below if you have construction all over the place. When we came back one time, there was construction near our house, but then it stopped. Then there's construction on the road, on the freeway. You know, I remember going to our trip, there's construction. I don't think it's like American Express, it doesn't leave home without us. So hopefully you guys leave a comment below. Hopefully you guys have a construction in your neighborhood. See these signs right here? It says, you know, detours. And right here, if you can see, there are cones and more detour signs. There are cones here. Yep, right here. All construction. You know, it's a pain in the butt. You go slow here, and then it goes all the way down. Yeah, I know. And there's construction people right there. Yeah, it's a pain in the butt. It's been going on since spring till now, and they're not even done because they were originally supposed to do the freeway where we built new ramps to 675. They're not even done with that, and they're not even done with this road right here. So yeah, there's all these roads, side roads are crossed out. It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. That's what I'm gonna say. So make sure you subscribe to my channels. Look at my stores, my hoodie store and my Spreadshirt account. Make sure you follow me on my social sites. But yeah, this is a side street that's open because there's no construction near it. But most of the time these are closed. So it's a pain in the butt. See, like right here, there's a sign right there. But yeah, just leave a comment below if you think these are pain in the butt. And make sure, happy birthday, Mom. Yeah, that's it. Tomorrow. So, and I will see you guys when I see ya later.